Louise Goodman. She's about to have a word with Matthew Wilson.
I tell you what, these rally guys sure know how to do pretty fly. Put your hands together, please, for Britain's top WRC star, Matthew Wilson. Impressive stuff there, fantastic being in the car, and impressive stuff on the track or on the rallies last year as well, your third season. How did it go for you?
Yeah, brilliant, really enjoyed it and made some good progress, so hopefully we can try and keep it going this year, even up at a level as well.
Is that your main aim, your target for 2009?
Yeah, we know what we need to do. Obviously, there's progress to be made, and it's obviously going to be our fourth year, so yeah, just to be a bit more consistent, and but no, really looking forward to it.
Tough times for motorsport, and rallying's no exception. We've seen Suzuki and Subaru pulling out recently. What effect is their withdrawal going to have on the sport?
I think obviously no one likes to see manufacturers go, and it's obviously just a sign of the times. But to lose Subaru was really tough. I mean, they were part of the core WRC, if you like. So yeah, it's going to be tough. But I think if everybody can get through this year, we're going to still have quite a few cars.